Hello, today I'm going to show you how to order an Evaglide corded curtain track and an Evaglide motorised curtain track using our online ordering service Webtex. Once you've logged into your account, it will bring you to the home screen. You have two ways of ordering made to measure. You can either go to products and orders and scroll down to order made to measure products. Alternatively, from the home screen, you can just click on the made to measure products box. If you click on that again, it then takes you through to the made to measure order form. At the top here you have the style choice. So all of the products on here are Evaglide made to measure. So I'm going to start with the Evaglide corded. So first of all we need the quantity, the actual track width in centimetres, and then your actual chain drop, which is your cord drop. You then have the option of which track. So we've got the Evaglide corded or the Evaglide contract corded. I'm going to go just with the standard corded. We then have the track colour, so you've got white, black or silver. I'm going to go for white. Which side cord, so you can have it corded both sides, on the right or on the left. I'm going to go for right. Which colour cord, so again we've got white, black or silver. I'm going to go for white. And which side stack, so you can have a mid-draw for a pair, a left or a right stack. I'm going to go mid-draw. Which brackets do you require? So you've got ceiling fix, wall brackets in various projections, double brackets, triple brackets and adjustable brackets. I'm going to go for the 75mm wall bracket. This bracket is available with a bracket cover, so I'm going to say yes please to that. You then have which carriers or heading do you require. So you have the standard carriers, the 80mm easy wave or the 60mm easy wave. I'm going to go with standard carriers. The next two boxes will be blocked out because they are only if you're ordering easy flex, easy wave or easy fold. We then come on to number of bends. I'm not going to have any bends on this track, so I'm going to say not required. And again for the curves, I'm going to say not required. If you do want bends or curves, you just go down to the number of how many you would need. And then track connectors are only required if the tracks are over 6 meters long and you need to join them. So on this occasion, my track is below 6 meters. So a track connector is not required. This will now calculate a trade price for you. So this can be used for both quoting purposes as well as ordering. So once you've done this, if you're doing it for quotes, you can then just click on reset and it will reset the page. If it is going to be a confirmed order, you can click on notes and put any information here. So if you need extra brackets, etc., that information can go in there. And if you're doing multiple track orders for various different rooms, then again, you can put your blind or track reference in there. Once I've done that, I'm then going to add to basket. And that's now gone into my basket. If you scroll down, the basket is actually below the order form. So you can see there that my Evaglide corded track is now in the basket. I'm now going to order a motorised curtain track. So there we go, so motorised. So again, you put your quantity and your track width and then track colour. So again we do white, silver or black. So this time I think I'm going to do silver. You have the option of mains power or battery on this one. So I'm going to go mains power. Again, which side stack? So you've got mid-draw, right or left. I'm going to go mid-draw. Which side would you like the motor? So we do need this information for, especially for mains, because we need to know where the wiring or the plug socket is in the left or the right, so I'm going to say right. Which carriers or heading do you require? So again, you've got standard carriers, wheeled carriers, Easy Flex, Easy Wave and Easy Fold in the various different spacings. I'm just going to stick with standard carriers. And again, these two boxes are blocked out because they are for the Easy Flex, Easy Wave and Easy Fold option. I'm just going to scroll along. So now we come on to which remote control or wall switch. So again, you've got a list there of all the different remote control options or wall switch options. So again, I'm going to go with a single channel. Evaglide hub required. This will allow you to operate your curtain track using the connector app on your phone, or alternatively using voice control using Alexa or Google Home. I'm going to say no thank you to that. Which brackets? So you've got ceiling, wall fix, double, triple and adjustable brackets. I'm going to go with ceiling brackets this time. Bracket covers required. So again, you do have the option of bracket covers for the ceiling brackets, so I'm going to say yes. Track connector required. Again, if it's over 6 meters, you will need a track connector. Mine isn't, so I can say no to that. Number of bends, I'm going to say no, and number of curves, I'm going to say no. So again, this is going to calculate your trade price, and then I'm going to put into my notes that this one is for the dining room. Once I've done that, I will then add to basket. And then go to basket. So both of my tracks are now here. If you need to amend them, you can just click on the amend button and it will take you back to the ordering page. If you want to delete them, again, you just click on delete. So I'm going to confirm this order, which then brings me to my confirm order screen. Now I want to arrange for this to be delivered to an alternative delivery address. So what I first need to do is add that address. So I'm going to add address. So the delivery name, and then carry on and put that address in. You can specify whether it's a domestic or a trade customer, and if you want to save the address for future orders, you do that here by ticking this box. Customer order reference, and then where you want the email confirmation sent to. So you click on here and choose where you want the confirmation sent to. Once that's done, you then confirm order, and that will then generate a order confirmation and the order has successfully been sent through to the office.